Come on, it's starting. Started already.
We love winter.
You love winter?
Winter.
I thought you don't want to dress up when it's winter.
We love winter.
I thought you like Maui. Oh! Alana, careful. Not on my face.
Okay. I love winter. You do too.
Kai! It's the other way around, Kai. Yeah. That's it.
Look my way. They go out different ways.
Where's the dog? I want to sit down. The thing is, it's so wet. Ew. Ooh, it's so cold. Alana, don't point it on me.
I love winter.
Ooh, it's cold.
Oh, look, he got. He took it on.
Careful, Kai, it's slippery. Where do you want to go? Kai, look, there's a dwarf in here. Look, did you see it? Who's that?
You.
No, it's not me. It's you. Ew, don't lick it. It's dirty. Ew, Kai. Yucky.
Who's that? It's the owl. It's a bad witch.
Bad witch? You're the bad one.
Help the plants grow. I am gonna go help the plants grow.
But it won't grow. It's still winter.
But I need to go help.
Kai, careful. It's slippery. Kai, it's not a shovel. It's a water gun. What? What do you want?
I want more water. That's fun. I'm gonna go look. Can you go get some more water?
Go there. You go there. You know where it is, right? Kai, you're destroying it. You want water? Why not put snow on it? Why put ice? It would melt later. Hmm?
No.
Where are you going? You want water in it, right? Come on here. This way. This way.
Like this way.
Yeah, there is water in here. Look.
Water. Water.
That's not the way it is, Kai. Just dip it in. I think it's full now. Let me close it.
Mine's not full.
No, yeah, wait. I think it's okay now. No, not that way. Oh, there you go.
Now, can you please close it?
Kai, where do you think you're going? We can go there. Come on. Yeah. Oopsie, careful. Right. I wish you have ski pants so we won't get wet. Huh? Yeah, I know. Don't throw it away. My hands are cold also.
Feel mine.
Feel mine. It's freezing. Hmm?
I know.
You got both cold hands. Pick it up.
No more water.
No more water?
It don't work. You have to push this button. You can just play it. You'll grow in no time.
You wanna swim in the swimming pool? Kai, you wanna swim, Kai? I know you love swimming. Come on, let's swim. Yeah, it's frozen. No, it's not dirty. It's just that it's frozen. It has cover in it.
No, it's frozen.
Yeah, and it's frozen.
That would be a... No, I'm not too deep. If there was...
How deep is that? Did you swim in there before?
Yeah, it's so deep.